Did you know that nearly 70% of our immune system is located in our gut? And when it's out of whack, we can feel sluggish, bloated, and just plain uncomfortable. That's why I'm excited to share with you a simple daily ritual that's been a game changer for my digestive ease and gut comfort, the gelatin trick. By incorporating this trick into my daily routine, I've noticed a significant reduction in bloating and discomfort after meals. The gelatin trick works by coating my stomach lining and soothing any irritation, allowing me to wake up feeling refreshed and light without that heavy, weighed down feeling. My friend swears by the gelatin trick too, and she's seen a huge difference in her overall gut health. She told me that since she started doing the gelatin trick, she's been able to enjoy her favorite foods without worrying about the aftermath. And that's exactly what I love about this simple trick. It's all about finding balance and comfort in our daily lives. And the gelatin trick helps me achieve that. To learn more about how to make the gelatin trick a part of your daily routine, check out the link in my description below. And for a personalized take on how to tailor the gelatin trick to your specific needs, head to the pinned comment where I've shared some additional tips and tricks.